Hello, in this video I will show you how to pair the pager number and also show you what functions that this product has. First, we can see if we want to go to the menu, and we need to press the setup and enter the password. It's 2580 and enter. Now we can see the first one is alert mode time, and press this one to change the next one. The pager number, flashlight mode, and beep mode, vibration mode, out of range, service countdown, time countdown, and system base ID, and password frequency. Set the current time, and baud rate, power up message, preset message, and a group call range, and transmitter beep. And that's all. Now let me show you how to add the pager number. Go to the number 2, the pager number, and press enter. And now we can set the number. You can see it has 4 digits. So you can set, for this pager, you can see it's the number 9. Now let's change it to 10. Okay, now we press enter, and you can see the infrared light is flashing, and press this, put the pager up to the light. You can see it changed successfully, the number 10. Now let's call it to check. Now you can see it rings, and you can press this one to cancel, or you can also put it back to the base to cancel the call. And that's it. You can see it has the flash, vibration, and the sound. You can also change that by the setting we just checked before. With the flashlight mode, you can change to 0 to 3. And the beep mode as well. Press enter to get it in, and change the mode from 0 to 3. 0 means turn off, 1 means slow, 2 means middle, and 3 means fast. And that's all the same for the vibration, beep, and the flash. Okay, if you already set the messages from 0 to 9, you can press the message directly. Now we can check how to send the messages. First, we need to press the pager number 10 and press enter. Now you can press the message number which you set preset before. Okay. Now you can see if I press 1, which means it shows 1, which means 1 is not preset yet. And put it back. And if you want to send messages directly, you can connect the USB here with the keypad to send the messages directly. It's very easy and convenient. That is how to pair the pager ID. And thank you.